All that scratching is making me itch.
Hi guys! In this video I'll be showing you how to make a fruit bowl out of the papier-mâché clay. This video is in continuation to the first video in which I have showed you how to make this papier-mâché clay. Things you need here are a bowl for the base, some greasing agent, I am using Boroline, and of course the clay which you have made. You can watch this video on the link flashing above. And a little bit of water to smoothen the clay. I am using the backside or the outer surface of the bowl. Now apply the Boroline all over the bowl. Now I am taking little portions of the clay and placing them on the bowl and pressing it nicely. Make sure to smoothen the clay. You can choose the thickness according to you. Cover the bowl entirely with the clay and smoothen it with the help of water. You can add your own design with the help of the clay. I have kept it plain and just adding a border on the edges. After smoothing the clay, you need to dry it completely. For this, leave it in the sun for around 2 to 3 days. Time taken to dry out will vary depending on the thickness of the clay. Once dried, remove it from the bowl. This is how it will look. Now it's time for the fun part, which is painting this bowl. You can paint it as per your imagination and decor. After painting the base, I have drawn the design on the surface. Now I will paint it in bright colors. A suggestion is try to use bold colors as it will enhance the look. Outlining gives a cleaner and a sharper look. So guys, I have used earbuds here to give this effect. Please watch my video on wall art to learn how to create this look. So this is what my fruit bowl looks like. I have applied varnish to seal the colors. You can create anything of your choice with this clay, and it's very easy and very cheap to make. We'll come up with more ideas of papier-mâché clay. Till then, stay safe and stay awesome.
Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video.